This is a 2012 Ford Fusion. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Moore Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2713 East Main in Plainfield.